Welcome back, everybody. Today we are going to be taking a look at the D.U.M diode number 3. This was created by a Down Under Monkey, hence the D.U.M on the side. And I want to say that this lock has been quite the learning experience for me. I was able to pick this on picking time, set it off to the side, then I went ahead and tried to pick it again and was successful at it. Did a disassembly of it, shared the pictures of the pins, and the main reason why I shared the pictures of the pins was because after I was assembling it, I ended up running into a problem. I ended up getting the key stuck into it. Just the perfect storm happened. The cat bumped my arm, twisted the lock a little bit, and pulled out the shim that I had in place there. And next thing I know, I bricked the lock. After messing around with it for about a day, running out of ideas, I went ahead and reached out to both the creator of the lock and Picksmith. Picksmith was able to get back to me first, and he told me to flip the lock upside down, place it into the vise, and while pulling on the key out, tap the back of it with a hammer, basically just trying to get those pins to bounce. And doing that combination, I was also pushing forward on the core just in case I did get the key to come out. I didn't want the core to come shooting out and everything, you know, springs flying everywhere. And well, it worked. The pin that was holding me up fell out, and I shoved the core back in at the same time and went from one problem to another. I then had to pick it from behind just to open it back up so I could replace the pins where they needed to go. Ended up with pin 5 in chamber 4 on top of pin 4. Overall though, it was not that bad because when I got it out, no springs were damaged in the process. All the pins look fine, and as you're about to see, the key works great still as well. So let's go ahead and demo this key. You see it's in, nice and turned, works just fine. We're going to pick this and I'll share the pictures afterwards, and then we're going to package this bad boy up and send it off to Sadistic Picker. One thing that I do like about this lock, even though I know the order, I still can't just get it down to picking it consistently each and every time. I still overset things here and there. But hopefully it doesn't take us this long to pick this on camera for you guys. One thing that I will say is most of the time, if I end up having to go back because you know, I encounter a spool or some type of variation of that, pins 1 and 2 are typically the ones that I have to go back and reset. And it already seems like we have overset right out of the gate. Oh, maybe not. You know, it's probably worth mentioning part of the story here. Not only did I feel bad about bricking this lock, but when I reached out to Picksmith about it. I know he's just busting my balls and giving me a hard time about it, but he's like, oh man, it's the Diode too? Yes, it's the Diode. I realize it's the Diode. I messed up the Diode. I'm sorry. But no, he was really cool about it. Gave a lot of great tips on how to get that pin out. So thank you so much, Picksmith, for helping me out with that. And really can't thank the community enough for everybody's help and involvement. So I am working on a live stream currently right now. We are getting everything set up for that. We will be releasing that first air date here pretty soon. Hopefully you guys can tune in and check that out. We're going to be doing guided lock openings, tips and tricks, reviews. I think it's going to be fun, and we will be covering locks suggested by you guys. So definitely hit that bell icon so you're notified when we do release new content, and be updated when we decide to go live with that. On another note, Trucking Lock has hit 100 subscribers, and he has an awesome giveaway, so go check out that on his channel and possibly get yourself some tension wrenches, or his other prize option is some locks. Oh, we overset 4. So I'm using light to medium tension on this. We got a little core movement there. And it is just now being shy on camera. Like I said, I can't reliably pick it as quickly every single time as some of the other locks that I've featured on the channel. So that's another great thing about this lock here. There we go. There's the open. So hopefully you enjoyed that. Awesome lock there, down under monkey. Sadistic picker, this is on its way to you. And thank you guys for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Hit that notification button, share the video, and we will catch you in the next one.